Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have another unboxing from Saint Laurent, but this time the item is not for me, but it is a giveaway prize for you guys. So I am so excited. I wanted to do a giveaway to celebrate my 1-year anniversary here on YouTube. So it's been a year and 2 months, and in that time YouTube has become such a big part of my life, and I absolutely love talking to you guys, and I am so grateful that you guys watch my videos time and time again and keep coming back to my channel and subscribe to my channel. And I just wanted to express my gratitude to you guys by doing another giveaway. I'm such a gift giver, so there is nothing more that makes me happier than picking something up for someone when I know that my gift is a good choice that that person is really going to enjoy. So I started my channel back in June last year, so it is a couple of months late, and that is because I really wanted to get this particular item for the giveaway prize, but it has been sold out everywhere. And if you've been watching my videos for a while now, you may already know what is in here that probably gave it away, but I am so glad to have finally tracked it down. So I went into the Saint Laurent store in David Jones in Sydney, and the sales manager there managed to get one transferred from the Melbourne store. So I went in to pick it up a couple of weeks ago, and I finally sat down to film this video. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the unboxing so I can show you what I picked up for you guys. So it comes in this beautiful Saint Laurent bag as usual. It's such a nice luxurious bag. And out comes the box. The giveaway prize lies in this beautiful box, and the box also comes with a ribbon wrapped around it. I don't want to undo the ribbon completely because I'm not sure how I'm going to put this back together, but whoever wins the giveaway, I want them to get the box presented exactly like this. So I'm going to see if I can just slide the ribbon off so I can slide it back on. So let me just work that out. So got the ribbon off, and opening up the box, I am so excited. Here is the care booklet in there. So the giveaway winner will get the box, the ribbon, the bag, the care booklet, the whole lot. And there's that little thing that keeps things from molding, I think. And here is the dust bag. Let's take the dust bag out of the box. And to show you guys what I picked up as the giveaway prize from Saint Laurent, I've picked up the Uptown pouch in the shiny black leather with that beautiful gold YSL logo. Let me take this plastic sleeve off so I can just show you the clutch properly. So here it is. Here is one perfect Uptown pouch that has been sold out on so many websites and in Saint Laurent store itself. And as you can see, I do have one in my collection as well, right here. And this is one of my favorite pieces in my collection. When I unboxed this item for the first time back in March, I got such an overwhelming response from you guys. A lot of you absolutely loved it, and a lot of you guys agreed with me that it is such a beautiful piece for quite an affordable price. Out of all the unboxings and reviews on my channel, this particular item had the most positive feedback. So I knew that if I was to do another giveaway, the price will be definitely this one. So I started looking for it back in May, I think, to get it as a giveaway prize for my YouTube anniversary in June, but it was sold out everywhere. And a lot of you guys have told me that you couldn't get your hands on this one as well. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to get my hands on one so I can give it away to one of you guys. So I am beyond happy. For those of you who aren't familiar with this particular clutch, it is just a very simple envelope style clutch, a handheld clutch, and it just has a magnetic flap closure. So when you open it up, it is a very thin pouch, but you can fit all your essentials in there. So if you want to know how much you can fit in this, check out my unboxing video. I'll leave a link to it down below. And in that video, I show you exactly how much you can fit in here. You can fit your plus size iPhone, a lip gloss, a car key, and a card holder. So that is more than enough on an evening out, in my opinion. So yes, I am so excited to be able to do this giveaway. Now the giveaway rules are simple as always. I just like simple giveaways. So first of all, you need to be a subscriber of my channel. So if you haven't done so already, hit that red subscribe button down below to be subscribed to my channel. Then you need to like this video and leave a comment below saying that you'd like to be entered to the giveaway. Also, you need to follow me on Instagram. I actually changed my Instagram handle from My Style Experiment to Isabelle Style. I just wanted an easier Instagram handle that people can remember, and since my YouTube channel has my actual name in it, I wanted to have my name in my Instagram handle as well. So that is my Instagram handle, so you need to give me a follow there, and I'm gonna have a giveaway photo on there as well. So like the giveaway photo and leave a comment tagging one friend, and that's all you need to do to be entered to this giveaway. And if your Instagram handle is different to your YouTube username, make sure that you mention that in your YouTube comment as well, so that I can match your accounts up to make sure that you have met all the criteria to enter. And the giveaway will be open internationally, so you can enter from anywhere in the world. So that is it for the giveaway rules. Once again, I am so happy to be able to do another giveaway, and I couldn't have done that without you guys, because if I did a giveaway with no audience, I mean, that would mean nothing anyway. So I'd like to take this time to once again thank all of you for watching my videos and encouraging me by commenting, talking to me, and just sticking with me watching my videos. So I'm just repeating myself, so I'm going to let you go here. Good luck to everyone who's entering, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.